Are you ready for this juiciness? Hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambreen, and today, if you can tell, I haven't got any products on my lips. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favourite lipsticks and lip products that I've currently been using. This was a product, what's that on my scarf? Have I seriously got something on my scarf right now? This was a video that somebody requested, so I hope you guys enjoy all the products that I picked out for you guys and find it useful. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you're kept up to date with any videos that I post. Let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've just finished this look. I used a bunch of CYO makeup. It's probably going to be going up soon after this video. Okay, so I'll put all my lip products in here. I don't think I have any of my MAC lipsticks because I've swatched all of those lip products in a recent video that I'll link in the eye, but I've already done that video, so you guys can just go check that out to see what my favorite MAC lipsticks are. But all those MAC lipsticks are my favorite. I like using them all the time, so I have a bunch to share with you guys. I'm going to see how many I can get through, and these are the current ones I've been using, and a lot of them are from one brand, so I don't know if you guys want to see the swatches from that. My staple lip liner that I do like to use is this one. It's from Primark, and this is in the shade, it's basically the pinky shade. I've used so much of this, I don't even know what shade it is. It says Rosewood Mauve, so it's like a neutral pink shade, perfect if you're like brown skin tone or if you have pigmentation to your skin and you just want to look like you have pinky lips. And then this is my favorite brown. This one is in the shade Toffee. Perfect brown for like if you are into the Kylie Jenner lips or brown lips in general. So I'm going to be using these two to show you guys my favorite lip combinations or lip products that I currently like using. Okay, so some of my favorite lip products are from Rimmel. This is a Stay Matte liquid lip color. It is in the shade Strapless, so I'm going to be applying this. Is a very light shade, but I'm just going to apply this to my lips just to show you guys that you can use a light color and it will be fine. Over to her darker color. It's such a really pinky, like really light pink. My hand clear here. Yeah, I'll show you guys. It looks super light on the skin. Can you see that? Like it looks like it's gonna make my lips look ashy, but I really like it for using a dark lip liner. And then I like to apply this on top of that, and it gives me this beautiful nudie pink that doesn't look ashy, you know what I mean? So that colour I've really been enjoying a lot, surprisingly, and it is a beautiful shade of pink. So the next lip product, I have a bunch of these. I'm just going to show you guys my favourite shades. So Love Bite is one of my favourites, and it's a beautiful brownie shade. I love this formula again. This formula, it is lightweight, it's thin, and when you apply it to your lips, it stays on your lips for quite a long time, and it doesn't feel drying. This is a beautiful brown shade. And it just works really well, especially if you have brown skin tones. Actually, it works really well on all skin tones, I would say. This line is, I will recommend it to everybody, this Rimmel line. And they're like a $5, these liquid lipsticks, or even less than that. Troublemaker is also a beautiful, nice brown colour as well. That's a deeper shade. So again, this is in the shade Troublemaker. And they're very buildable, so don't worry about them looking a bit patchy or whatever. They are quite buildable. Got Rose and Shine, which is a beautiful pink. If you're looking for a pink option, this is your one. This is in Rose and Shine. I've got some really cute ones here from Pat McGrath. These ones I bought as part of a set. I think they were like 20 quid for all 3 of these lipsticks. So I think it's best to buy these instead of buying the full size ones, because I think it's one for 20 quid. Unless you really like that shade. So I've got Omi, which is a beautiful, beautiful pink. How cute these lipsticks are, and you're never going to get through a full lipstick in a long time unless you really love that shade. So this is a nice way to try out the formula and to like see if you really like the shade. So this one, Omi, it's a beautiful pink, neutral pink. I think this would look really nice on light and medium skin tones, even darker skin tones. It would look like a beautiful, like a nude shade for them, for darker skin tones. But I love this formula. It's not drying. It feels really soft and velvety on the skin. It glides on nicely. Oh, let me just show you guys. And they're super pigmented. They're not matte, but they're satin finish. Which makes them super comfortable, and the plus side of the little ones is you can really get around your lips with them. So this is in the shade Omi, a beautiful natural pink, nude pink. Let's go in with 1995. This shade. So 1995 is more nudie. So this one has a bit more pink to it. That's more nude. Okay, this shade is definitely nude. But it makes your lips look more plump. And this is the lipstick I go for when I don't know what to do, or if I'm wearing heavy makeup on the eyes. This is the one. Did you see how easily that glided onto my lips? Okay, my lips are dying now. Okay, and lastly we have Flesh 3. How pigmented are these? That's like a purpley pink. So your special occasions, or in winter and autumn, or whenever you feel like it. Oh yeah, if I'm going out, I love using this colour. The thing I like about dark colours and red colours especially is you don't need to make any effort, and you just apply this on and it looks like you tried hard. That shade, look, see, can you see? It's tinted my lips. This is also a liquid lipstick. This is a recent one to my collection that I really, really like. It is from L'Oreal. I shared this in my 2021 favourites. I love this colour a lot, and I'm surprised I love the formula so much. This is in the shade I Explore. My lips are so tinted right now. But I love the doe foot applicator on this as well. It makes it so easy to apply products. So this is just a brown, a really nice brick brown. This formula also feels really soft on the lips. It doesn't feel as drying as the Rimmel ones, but I've noticed it doesn't last as long as the Rimmel ones. But again, if you just want a really nice, really comfortable liquid lipstick, then I'll go for these. They feel like lip creams. That's what they feel like. And it does dry down. So the next product I have to show you guys is this Pixie by Petra. This one is surprising. I liked this a lot. I'm so surprised I liked it. It's called the Matte Last Liquid Lip Au Naturel. Now I don't like using this on its own because it's very, very nude. But I do, it has the same doe foot applicator as the L'Oreal one. I love these doe foot applicators. They're so nice. And they make it easy to apply product, but I like using this on top of a lip product. But because my lips are dying, I'm just going to show you anyway. Yeah, it's a very peachy pink. It's a straight up peach. I mean, it could work, but it looks like I've got duck lips. So I do like using it with a dark lip product. Do you want me to show you guys how I do it? Let me show you guys how I do it. So this is the lip liner I use. It's the Toffee lip liner from Primark. So I know I've got it on top, but this is what I do underneath. And then it makes your lips look lighter when you have a darker lip liner, and it just gives you that nude shade. So I like using that peachy undertone, perfect for summer and spring. I've really been enjoying using that. The only thing I would say is that when you're applying this, if you don't blend it in quick enough, it can, like, you can see a visible line. So you can fix that either by just rubbing it in with your finger, or you could just go over it again with a lip liner and it should give you a pretty effect. This is what everyone has been asking me about. I've been wearing it recently and everyone's like, what's that colour on your lips? It's this. This is the one I get the most compliments about. So it's gonna be a good colour. It's the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in No Limits. So I love it because it's a crayon, so it's so easy to apply, and it's matte. It looks matte on the lips, but it's comfortable because it's like a lipstick. So let me show you guys. It's just like colouring in. So it's basically like a brick red. It looks a bit too orangey red on my lips on camera, but it's not. It's more on the brick side, so like a brownish red in real life. And the thing I like about this is it's comfortable and it's not super, I don't know why it looks so bright on camera, but it's not super in your face when you apply it. It just looks like a natural red. So that is the colour I've been using, and it makes your complexion look brighter as well when you apply it. So, oh, I'm nearly done. I've just got one more product left. This is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Darling lip gloss. It's the only lip gloss I've been using lately. It's nice and it's like a good sticky, so it stays on longer on the lips, and it feels really comfortable on the lips, and it gives you a glossy, that juicy lip effect. And because it's pink, it doesn't make my lips look ashy. Again, it doesn't make them look ashy, and it gives that colour that I need to them. I love the applicator for this. It's like a flat dough for applicator. Are you ready for this juiciness? It is the perfect pink for my lips. So if you have like greyishness tones in your lips, then this colour will work for you. But look how nice and juicy my lips look without making an effort. So you see why this is my favourite lip gloss and why you guys need to pick it up. So again, it's in the shade Darling. And we're done. So that's the only lip gloss I've been using that I've been loving a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Again, I'm gonna have to apologize for this, but I am backlogging videos, so if you see me wearing the same attire, it's because of that. So I hope you guys don't mind that at all. I hope you guys enjoyed these favorite lipsticks and lip products that I really like at the moment, and you have some nice recommendations from me. Let me know down below which ones you already have and which one you are planning on purchasing or you don't mind buying, and I'd love to know. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.